Woodworking holds significant potential for income generation, offering a pathway for individuals to transform their passion for crafting into a viable source of revenue. As the demand for unique, handcrafted items continues to rise, woodworking provides a tangible opportunity for artisans to create products that resonate with consumers seeking quality and craftsmanship over mass-produced alternatives. This trend is evident across various markets, from custom furniture and home decor to artisanal kitchenware and decorative pieces, highlighting the versatility and appeal of woodworking as a business venture. For many woodworkers, the journey begins as a hobby, driven by a love for the craft and the satisfaction derived from creating tangible objects. However, as their skills develop and their portfolio expands, these artisans often find themselves in a position to monetize their creations, turning a passion into a sustainable income stream. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of profitable woodworking project ideas and design. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The significance of woodworking for income generation is further amplified by the accessibility of various sales channels available in today's digital age. With the rise of e-commerce platforms, social media, and online marketplaces, woodworkers can reach a global audience without the need for a physical storefront. This accessibility allows artisans to showcase their work, share their stories, and connect with potential buyers in ways that were previously unimaginable. By leveraging platforms like Etsy, Instagram, and personal websites, woodworkers can effectively market their products, building a brand that reflects their unique style and craftsmanship. This online presence not only facilitates sales, but also fosters a sense of community, enabling artisans to engage with customers, gather feedback, and establish loyal followings. Moreover, woodworking as a source of income is not limited to selling finished products. Many woodworkers find opportunities in teaching and sharing their skills with others. Workshops, classes, and online tutorials can serve as additional revenue streams, allowing artisans to impart their knowledge to aspiring woodworkers while generating income. This teaching aspect enhances the woodworking community, promoting a culture of learning and collaboration that benefits both seasoned craftsmen and newcomers alike. By offering workshops, woodworkers can create a space for individuals to explore their creativity, fostering a sense of empowerment and encouraging others to appreciate the art of woodworking. This dual approach of creating and teaching not only diversifies income sources, but also reinforces the value of craftsmanship and skill development within the community. Additionally, woodworking can serve as a means of economic empowerment for individuals seeking alternative livelihoods. In regions where traditional job opportunities may be limited, woodworking offers a practical and rewarding way to generate income. By acquiring basic woodworking skills, individuals can start small businesses, creating products that cater to local markets or tapping into niche markets that value handmade goods. This entrepreneurial spirit fosters self-sufficiency, allowing individuals to take control of their financial futures while contributing to their local economies. The significance of woodworking in this context extends beyond personal income. It can also stimulate economic growth by creating jobs, supporting local suppliers, and promoting sustainable practices in material sourcing. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The ability to customize products further enhances the income-generating potential of woodworking. Consumers today increasingly seek personalized items that reflect their unique tastes and preferences. Woodworkers can capitalize on this trend by offering bespoke services, creating custom pieces that cater to individual client specifications. This level of personalization not only allows artisans to charge premium prices for their work, but also fosters deeper connections with customers, as each piece becomes a collaborative effort that embodies the client's vision. This emphasis on customization sets woodworking apart from mass production, where individuality is often sacrificed for efficiency. By prioritizing craftsmanship and personalization, woodworkers can carve out a niche for themselves in a competitive market, enhancing their income potential while building a loyal customer base. Furthermore, participating in local craft fairs, markets, and exhibitions can provide significant opportunities for income generation. These events allow woodworkers to showcase their creations in person, engaging with customers directly and receiving immediate feedback on their work. This face-to-face interaction can be invaluable for building relationships and trust with potential buyers, often leading to repeat customers and word-of-mouth referrals. Additionally, participating in community events helps raise awareness about the value of handmade goods and supports local artisans, fostering a sense of pride and appreciation for craftsmanship within the community. This grassroots approach to marketing emphasizes the importance of connection and engagement, reinforcing the idea that woodworking is not just about making a profit, but also about contributing to a vibrant local culture. The sustainability aspect of woodworking also appeals to a growing segment of consumers who prioritize ethical purchasing decisions. As awareness of environmental issues increases, many individuals seek products that are sustainably sourced and produced. Woodworkers can leverage this trend by emphasizing their commitment to using reclaimed materials, responsible sourcing, and eco-friendly practices in their creations. By aligning their business with sustainable values, woodworkers can attract customers who are willing to pay a premium for products that align with their ethical beliefs. This approach not only enhances the income potential for artisans, but also contributes to a broader movement towards environmental responsibility and conscious consumerism. The significance of woodworking for income generation is multifaceted, encompassing opportunities for creativity, entrepreneurship, and community engagement. As artisans transform their passion for woodworking into viable businesses, they tap into a growing market that values quality and craftsmanship. The accessibility of online platforms and the ability to customize products further enhance the income potential, allowing woodworkers to reach diverse audiences and cater to individual tastes. By engaging in teaching and sharing their skills, woodworkers contribute to a culture of learning that benefits both themselves and aspiring craftsmen. Moreover, woodworking serves as a means of economic empowerment, offering individuals the chance to create sustainable livelihoods while supporting their local economies. Through participation in community events and a commitment to sustainability, woodworkers can build meaningful connections with customers and foster a sense of pride in their craft. Ultimately, woodworking is not just a means of generating income. It is a pathway to fulfillment, creativity, and a deeper connection to both the materials and the community. As individuals continue to explore the possibilities within this craft, they contribute to a vibrant and dynamic landscape that celebrates the artistry of woodworking and its potential for positive impact. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked profitable woodworking project ideas and design. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.